video shows how Tableau's VizAnimations feature can enhance your analysis and spur you on towards new investigation. I began by downloading the workbook from Tableau's COVID-19 Data Hub. I opened that up and created a sheet to explore what's going on in the United States in terms of deaths versus cases over time. Here we have a mark for each state. In the vertical we have the number of deaths, and in the horizontal we have the number of positive cases. I'm going to step through week by week. Notice how easy it is to track the marks. It's also pretty easy to see that there are two marks that are really dominating the scene: New Jersey and New York. No surprise given what we knew about going on in April in the United States. So I created a new tab without New Jersey and without New York to get a look at what's happening in the other states. Here we'll step through again. Now, this kind of indicates a general ratio for most of the states. Marks that are above are having a higher death rate. Marks that are below are having a lower death rate. Because motion's a pre-attentive attribute, again, you can follow things around and see kind of the paths they're taking relative to other things. I'm interested in this one here. California. I'm going to back up a little, see how it kind of moves. Previously, they had a high death rate, and then there's a lower one. I thought I'd now go to another tab where we just investigate California. Here we have a mark for each county in California, and we're going to step through time once again. Like we had with the states, we seem to have one county dominating the California results, and that's Los Angeles. I've created a new tab with California counties without Los Angeles to see maybe we can find out something about a county we haven't heard quite so much about. Stepping through once again and watching these marks zip about. Wait, what was that? Look at this orange mark compared to all the other marks. It takes a total nosedive. That's San Diego. Let's just watch San Diego all by itself. Whoop, there's that nosedive again. Well, now I'll create another tab that's just a line chart of the two parameters. New deaths versus positive cases. And sure enough, even though the cases are steadily kind of rising and even a little exponential getting here, we've got a real drop running counter to that trend. This last drop is just because it's the final week and I think it's incomplete data. So, going from here, I might look into what happened in San Diego in May. One more quick example. Going back to the states, I took out California this time because it was arguably dominating things in the earlier graph, and we have heard a lot of California. And now I'm looking here, what do I see? Anything of interest? Well, there seems to be one state here that really consistently is staying in the good side of things, below that average, and that's this one right here, Texas. So again, we might want to look into what is Texas doing different than everyone else? And like I did with California, I created another one with the Texas counties over time. I'm going to step through that. And what I notice here, at least to my mind, I don't really see anything too anomalous in any of the counties. So what I might look into from here is San Diego doing something different than the other counties in California? And is Texas doing anything different from the other states in the United States? That ends the analysis. Thank you very much for listening.